was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Just wear a finger for people like them. Oh, no, no.
Okay guys, so the time is around 4:30 in the morning and it feels amazing guys, but also the bike is ready. Let me give you some of the cinematic shots. I know they are not that professional, but guys, I'm trying my level best.
So good, oh.
Guys, coming to the bike, we have a Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet. It is an amazing bike for touring, I guess. I'll give you guys the review after this trip. It has 1600 kilometers on Odo and 6.5 kilometers as a trip. I rented this bike out from a local rental agency here. So yeah. Okay people, so all set, I'm all geared up and I didn't get any professional gears as such, but I have some rain protection for me. So yeah, the bike is all ready. So let's start the ride.
You make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no, no.
Hey guys, a quick ride update. So just completed around 80 kilometers from Ahmedabad and here by a toll plaza, just took a short break of 5 minutes. So yeah.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that gator into a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you.
Kilometers from my place, so Statue of Unity is another 80 kilometers from here as well. Yeah, I'm a bit hungry now because it's time for some breakfast. So yeah, let's see. Cheers.
Oh my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
So guys, finally reached the Statue of Unity, and man oh man, this statue is very large as compared to other ones. So this is the first one I'm seeing, by the way. So yeah, that was a bad joke, but yeah, finally I'm here and I'm able to witness two of the greatest things on universe. One is the sunrise, because we usually don't wake up that early in the morning. So that's there over behind. The screen might have got blur, yeah. And coming to the Statue of Unity, are you guys ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. There you go guys, that's the Statue of Unity. Ignore my face because the sun is direct to my eye.
I feel your world is so damn proud, and your words are so damn loud, and I can't stay here beside it, 'cause my pain grows way too giant. Your electric heart shakes me out of love.
Hey guys, so just now I reached the statue. It's right behind me. As you can see, it's absolutely humongous in size. It's mammoth. It's out of this world. Man, I wonder how they create such beautiful statues. If you're getting some sound in the background, I'm sorry for that because there's some local music running on here. And also, yeah, so as usual, Gujarat, the heat is it's getting hot slowly, so yeah, we need to wait. I hope there's some air conditioning inside the statue. That's too much to ask for, but who says no for more? So yeah, as you can see, here's river Narmada along the bank of this statue. So yeah, there's the emblem of Statue of Unity there. And yes, so let's get into the statue and explore it. Cheers. The ground floor is amazing. It's very huge. So here's face of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and as you can see, I'm sweating. Please ignore it. So yeah. But one good thing is that there's air conditioning inside, so that's kind of cool. So here are some details about the making of statue, how it was established and all. So
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. Let's wear a finger for people like them. Oh no.
So guys, one interesting thing I found here is he has a make-up pledge in the footsteps of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel counter. So what we need to do is we need to give our name, age and location. So our pledge will be over there on that screen. So yeah, let's do it.
But I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh. Around me like a borderline, our fortress in the jungle, baby, we're alright. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone.
Oh man, it's absolutely amazing up from here. So as you guys can see,
But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
right now we are at the viewing point of the statue, and yeah, it's pretty amazing and pretty huge. I've been bored of using the word huge. Oh man, where's the sun? I'm gonna stay till 2 o'clock in this statue, man. One good thing I did today was to start early. I'm definitely proud of myself for doing that. And yeah, this is the viewpoint.
I I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky, oh. It's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now.
If you just look at the size of the feet, it's pretty huge. As you can see, if I'll compare it to my size, my head is exactly towards the floor. It's not even towards the chapel. Let's test out what material it's made up of. I was very keen for that, so yeah, let's do it. Yeah, as you can see, it's complete metal. Yeah, let's explore it out over here.
Make me feel so good, oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No, no, no. The way you making me glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care.
I just came by the canteen and I'm having a Gujarati dish. It's called dhokla. Let me show it to you.
It's the way you make me feel so good.
Hey guys, so just boarded the bus and we are on our way to Narmada Dam, which is just situated right behind the statue. So yeah, enjoy some shots.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I? Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Alright, so finally I boarded the bus and we are heading towards the Statue of Unity again, where we started this trip. And one good thing is that the entire Statue of Unity and the transportation is air conditioned, so we'll not have to worry about getting exposed to heat until and unless we choose it to go to the dam or to the Valley of Flowers. And yeah, once the bus fills up, we'll leave. Cheers. Hey guys, a quick update. So the time is 1:10 in the afternoon and as usual it's scorching heat outside. So this is the canteen here. It's pretty huge and spacious, and the main thing is that it's air conditioned, so there's no chances of sunstroke over here. And also now the plan is that I need to skip some time out here, so until the sun gets set down a bit or until the time of sunset. Okay guys, so here's the second round of lunch. So I just ordered pizza. So after this we'll head on to Zarwani waterfalls, which is around 20 kilometers from here. And yeah, cheers. So right now I'm sitting over here in front of the Statue of Unity, and there's a small light show which will be happening in another 15 minutes maybe. That's exactly at 7:15, and I guess that will be a crazy combination of multicolor lights and the statue. In the morning itself, it was very huge. Now let's see what happens with the laser lights. Yeah, I just got a call. So sorry for that. Hey guys, just reached by the fuel station. Fueled up, so taking a small 5-minute break. Vadodara is another 37 kilometers from here, so we'll be reaching home by approximately in another 3 hours, I guess, 3 to 4 hours max. That would be around 1:30 or so, which is pretty cool, and the roads are absolutely amazing.